basic and very easy question. Okay. This is what one step equation. Okay. So there are not much step required. Okay. And now everybody is smiling and facing very easy question, right? So yes, I can see, I want to see how many people are raising hands. Okay. Use the zoom features, use the zoom features. Otherwise, you will get a pain, right? Because there are many people. Okay. So use the zoom feature. You can lower your hand. Okay. Use the zoom feature. Yeah, one zoom feature. It's fine. Yeah. Okay, so up to now, 48 hands raised. Okay, we are the team, like we are the class of 86 members. So I need 70, minimum 70, because this question is very easy question. You can say year two, year three type of question. Yeah, 56 members. Still, I want 10 or 15 members. So give your answer. Okay. So now I'm asking one person. Okay, so let's say, okay, Isabel, can you please tell me what is your answer?
And
Okay. And Yusuf, can you please tell me what is your answer?
10.
Okay. Aru, can you please tell me? Oh, I mean Arush. Arush, yes. Arush?
my answer is 10.
Okay, so everybody's know, like if you want to multiply a number with the 4 to get the 40, then it must be the 10 only, right? So that is a logical way, okay? But if you want to solve the algebraically, then this is also correct. Like you can write like this, divide by 4 both the sides, okay? So as I mentioned, you have to keep the whatever operation that should be on the both the sides, right? So divide by 4 both the sides, okay? Like this you can write in brackets, and then you can perform a operation like this. 4x divided by 4 equals to 40 divided by 4. So here the 4 and 4 will get cancelled, right? Like this. So it will be equal what? X equals to, and this will get cancelled by 10. So x equals to 10. Okay. I agree. Logically, it will get very quickly as well. But it's fine. Like we are learning the algebra, so we can try the algebra as well. Okay. Steps will remain same. I agree that one as well. Okay. So let's have some practice based on this one-liner questions. Okay. Yeah. One step linear equation. So in front of you, you have the 4 questions. Start solving these questions. You have 2 minutes, and that is more than enough. Okay. I think just 30 seconds or 60 seconds is enough, but still I am giving you 2 minutes to solve it. So everybody please solve the question, and you are allowed to do both the things. You can raise your hand as well as you can put your answers into the chat box. I can see 42 answers up to now. Okay, there are chances of getting many answers because people are putting answers, single answers, right? Like not the combined answers. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yes, Kaushal.
I wanted to write the answer in the chat box, but then it keeps saying that you cannot chat to Pretty.
You have to select hidden. Are you
Yeah.
getting me? You have to select hidden. Okay, then you are able.
You have to select.
My name. You have to select my name. Okay. Is there? Are you able to see my name?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, everyone. So we received many answer. Okay, and let's have the question solving. Okay. So yes, I am going to select the first person. Okay. I agree. Questions are easy, but from the basics levels, we have to start. Okay. So, Edward, can you please tell me what is the answer of the first question?
6.
Yeah, 6 is a clear and correct answer. As per the balance method, what you can write? You can write like this, subtract 12 from both the sides. Okay. You can write subtract 12 both the sides. Okay. And if you do that, see, I agree. No need of this, but this is I am writing whenever we have the complicated or little tough questions. At that moment, this will help you. Okay. So like this is happening. Okay. Subtracting 12 both the sides. So this is going to happen, and x equals to what? X equals to 6. Plus 12 and minus 12 will get cancelled. Okay. Now the next question, I am selecting one more person. Okay. So let me choose Janisha. Can you please tell me the second answer?
5.
Yes, absolutely correct. So here, as per the rule, what you want, what is your aim? Basically, your aim is to make the variable alone on the either left or either right side, right? So if you want to make alone, then you have to remove the 15, right? That's why you have to do the operation, integer operation. That is what? Subtract minus 15, both the sides, right? So after applying this, it's very clear. If you subtract 15 both the sides, then that is going to be what? X plus 15 minus 15 equals to 20 minus 15. And that's why it's x equals to 5 only. Very good. Now the next question I am going to ask Neeraj, can you please tell me what will be the answer for the question number C?
The answer is 18.
Okay, so you are saying answer is 18. So that is absolutely correct. So here unwanted thing is minus 6, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to do the opposite of it, okay? So opposite of it what? Plus 6 both the sides, right? So if you add plus 6 both the sides, then what is going to happen? On the left hand side, this minus 6 will get cancelled with this plus 6, okay? And the right hand side, the same plus 6 will get added. So here this and this will get cancelled. So what left on the left hand side? Just x. And right hand side, it's very clear. 12 plus 6, that's 18. Okay. The same way, let's have the next question. Okay, let me select. Amina, can you please answer me the question? Fourth question.
Is it 17?
Yes, you are correct. What do you want to remove here? Minus 4. So what you are going to do? You are going to do the opposite operation, right? And that is what? Plus 4, both the sides, right? So if you do plus 4 both the sides, then answer is in front of you. Very easy question. Nothing is to worry. Like this also you can operate, okay? Nothing is to worry. Like this. If you want the column addition, then also it's fine. Okay, this and this will get cancelled. So x equals to what? 13 plus 4, that's 17. Okay, so let's have the question number 2. Okay, so maybe question number 2 little, see, in question number 1, what you have? Plus minus things. Okay, and in question number 2, you may find other operations like multiplication and division. Okay, but still it's easy only. So yes, everybody start this question. You have let's say 1.5 minutes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
When I tried to type on the chat, I can't send it to you.
What name you have selected?
Hiren.
Okay. If you selected my name, then what is your name? Tell me.
Abby.
Okay, Abby. Okay, I am sending the message to you. Okay, let's see. It's working from my end or not. Okay. Did you get any message from my end?
Yeah, I got it, but I can't really send to you.
Now try to send me over there. It's possible or not? Okay, fine. Abhi, I will give you a chance to solve the first question. Okay, you can directly tell me here what is your answer for the first question.
Is it 6?
Yes, absolutely correct. So as we know, what you want y alone, right? It means you have to remove 3. And how you can remove 3? So by dividing by 3, both the sides, we are able to remove 3. Okay. So that is we are going to do dividing by 3, both the sides. So this 3 and 3 will get cancelled very easily. So y equals to what? This 3 times 6, we all know the times table of 3. So it's clear, y equals to 6. Excellent, Abhi. Let's have the next question, and I'm going to choose another person. Okay, Adishri, can you please tell me the answer of question number B?
The answer is 4.
Okay, answer is 4. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so here's the same way, whatever we have done above. What we don't want the 6 on the left hand side. We just want y, right? So divide by 6 both the sides. And as we know the times table of 6, it's very clear. 6 times 4 is the 24. Yes, excellent. Okay, now let me select. Nihal, can you please tell me the question C?
I think the answer is 36.
How much for this?
36.
Yes, 36, that's clear. What we want, just we want y. It means we have to remove this 6, and this 6 is in division, right? So as you know, if you want to remove anything, then you have to multiply, like you have to do the opposite thing, right? This is in divide 6, so you have to do times in 6, both the sides, okay? Yeah, so that we have to follow. And if you follow this 6 and this 6 will get cancelled. But before that, on the right hand side also, you have to write like this. After that, you are allowed to cancel. So y equals to what? 36. Clear? Very good. Okay. So now let me check one more person. And Arna. Arna, can you please tell me the answer of question number D?
Minus 20.
Yes, absolutely correct. Same way here also you have to do what? You can do timesing by 5, both the sides, right? So if you follow the same steps, nothing is to worry. So now you are good at this. This is timesing by 5, okay? This 5 will get cancelled. That's why it is minus 20. Okay, clear? Very good. So let's move on to the next.